Dishwasher tablets have excellent cleaning properties, which is why many people use them to make homemade bathroom cleaner. You only need one tablet and a spray bottle. Cut the tablet into 3 pieces so it fits into the bottle. Pour in warm but not boiling water so it dissolves faster. Shake the bottle continuously to mix it well. Close it and it's ready. The cleaner works great for washing the toilet and seat. It also helps prevent limescale buildup and water stains. It's perfect for cleaning ceramics. Just spray a dirty sink and wipe it with a wet cloth. No streaks, and your bathroom will look like new. It's also ideal for the shower, where tiles and glass are often covered in stubborn limescale. Regular detergents require a lot of scrubbing, but a spray made from a dishwasher tablet works instantly. Spray the glass generously so the liquid runs into the shower tray, then gently wipe with a wet cloth and rinse with warm water. The glass will be shiny and streak-free, and the thin layer left by the tablet helps slow down limescale buildup.